What's up, guys? It is currently February 4th, 9:17 in the morning, and today is potentially the last day of the $500 to $1,000 challenge. I'm low key not nervous. I'm gonna do the exact same thing I do every single day. I'm gonna go for 1 to 2 risk reward, 1 to 3 risk reward, whatever the market may give us. I'm still gonna be looking for volume. I'm still gonna mark up my zones. I'm still gonna look for trend lines. I'm still gonna do all that stuff. So today is potentially the last day of the market. So we're gonna be marking up the charts in about another 5 minutes, give or take. But I'm gonna jump in the charts right now and show you guys the wins of yesterday, how the market went yesterday, all that good stuff. Yesterday, you guys know my PC was crashing. It did not want it to work. So for me to avoid that one mistake that I did that one time where my PC was crashing and I was crashing out and I lost like 3 trades because I was upset, I decided yesterday not to trade and to go ahead and take my wins and losses or whatever the case may be in private, in a sense. Like, I did not want to pick up my camera and actually focus on recording. I just wanted to focus on my trade. I will show you guys how that went yesterday, but today, like I said, we are at $992 or 989, I don't know, something like that. We're literally dollars away from finishing this trade. So today I plan on finishing out strong, and hopefully today will be the last day of um the challenge, man. And then after that, we're gonna start a new challenge, potentially either tomorrow or on Monday. So what I'm thinking about doing is just take my next 2 trades, Thursday and Friday on my own, privately, probably, and then just maybe just depositing that money and keeping it. Withdrawing that money, keeping it for myself, or I don't know, see what's gonna happen. But at the end of the day, guys, we're gonna hop into the charts right now. Thank you guys for joining me on this journey. Hopefully today we don't take a loss, and hopefully that hopefully we boss out today, man. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this, man. I'm excited, bro. I'm excited to finish this challenge, yo. Finally, after 2 weeks, man. Yo, what's up, guys? So first things first, let's go ahead and get right to yesterday's trade. Yesterday's trade was a banger. This is a trade that I did not take. Let me jump into the 5 minutes so we can see a little bit smoother. Yesterday we smacked the TP5, bro. Well, we could have smacked the TP5. It would have jumped into this trade. As you guys can see, all 5 targets got hit, bro. Yesterday's trade was insane. We were already pushing below, but the next candle literally pushed up above the zone and it pushed back down. We could have re-entered on that push down, but we didn't. So it is what it is. But they had this zone marked and it was looking beautiful. Now the trade that I did take, yo, was this freaking beast, man. Same thing with this one, guys. We pulled out at a 1 to 3, I think it was, or a little bit below 1 to 3. It was something like that. But regardless, we pulled out around here somewhere, give or take, somewhere around here. I can't really remember. Actually, it was probably somewhere around here because I think I got in a little bit later, if I remember correct. I think I want to say I probably got in like around here, maybe. And then if we put the prices, it was something like that, man. I can't really remember, but I know that I did not reach a TP3. I think I hit 200 bucks, which is around here somewhere, give or take, somewhere around here. So I don't really know how I got in, but anyways, I did get in there, guys, and I did take my win. We did take a $200 win yesterday. It was freaking insane. We did have a trend line break. We did have a resistance. We have a good zone break. It wasn't much of a resistance, but it was a really good zone to look at. It's a little advanced technique. When I don't really have much to work with, but I do have a trend line. It's a little something extra that I do. But yesterday's trade was crazy, guys. It also hit a TP5. If we would have held it, man, it would have been insane. But you know we didn't hold, so it is what it is. But yesterday's trade, like I said, was insane, guys. So now we're going to be looking at today's charts, and we are going to see what we got cooking. Obviously, off the rip, I can already see an insane zone that I'm really enjoying right now. To be honest, like, I really love the way the zone looks, which is right here. It is a really good support zone right here. As you guys can see, price has tried coming through this area multiple times and it never just got through it. it has been a support zone before. So I mean, if this price breaks through right now, that would be kind of depressing. And we do also have a good solid resistance zone right here. So not really much to say. These zones do look great, to be honest. This is for US 30, so I'll go ahead and mark it up right now for US 30 shorts, and then yeah, let's see what's cooking. Not really much to say, to be honest. We do somewhat have a trend line here, but it's not really all that good of a trend line. Just not really the best looking trend line. As you guys can see, price is also rejecting off of that support zone again. So I mean, it's just hopefully it keeps that same energy for the next 7 minutes. And then we do have our buy zone up here, which is just, I don't know, man. Something's not really right about this zone, but we will be seeing what we can work with. Um, yeah, man. Yep. Let's see. I'll probably hold off and go up to like maybe this area right here. Yeah, I'll probably say maybe like something like that. Will look a little bit better in my opinion. I would definitely go for this area right here. Actually, this is a whole lot. This is a way better area, so we'll look at that. Now, if we look at NAS 100, NAS 100 does have a really smooth um support zone right here, as you guys can see. We mark it up right here. We do have a really nice support zone right here, and we do have a really nice resistance zone right here as well. But that is too close in price, so I will probably go for something around maybe like, I'll say maybe around here, give or take. Is an area that I would like to see price break out of, or if not there, I would also like to see price break out of this area as well. Let's just see how price really reacts to it. I will mark this zone right here up for US 30. I mean NAS 1 to 5 shorts, and then I will mark this zone up here for the longs, because I prefer to see this zone getting broken. But if this zone breaks too, I mean, it honestly just looks good. So we literally have about 5 minutes, and you kind of just opened up. Not really much to look at. I will have my trade locker set up, so let me go ahead and get my trade locker on my phone. These zones look good to me. It's already breaking out of that first zone, so we're just gonna have to see. Let me pull up trade locker on my phone. We are at 991.32 balance, and I'm honestly thinking about the next challenge. I might start bringing London session 2. I've been thinking about trading London session, guys. It's been at the top of my head. It's been at the top of my mind, so it's been a thing that I've been thinking about doing. Let me get my other phone real quick. This one's already getting broken, so I may just have to invalidate that zone. And US 30 is also doing the exact same thing. It's also invalidating the hell out of my zone. So this zone no longer exists. And we'll probably go aim for maybe this zone right here as well. This is what I like to do, man. I like to mark as I go. We have less than 2 minutes left on the market, so we'll see what's gonna be cooking. Hopefully, hopefully we see something good. All right, guys, market is about to open right now. I'm gonna go for the bigger zone. Might have to take that buy on US 30. US 30 is already looking to be making a push. NAS is already looking to make a sell. If US 30 does one more push, I'm gonna have to take it. NAS 100 still kind of below that support zone. I will remove this zone right now just to get it out the way. If we do have another push above that zone, I will be taking a buy. Dang it. Well, that's a little bit lower, but it's fine. Let's go, guys. This is the last trade, hopefully, man. Hopefully, this is our last trade of the day, of the challenge. Move out of the way, bro. I gotta do this quick, yo, because Nas is pushing for a sell, for a really hard sell. I will secure my profit for the challenge for sure. But let's wait for a TP1 to get smacked, guys. I want that TP1 to get smacked up. US 30, I mean, NAS 100 did push for a solid freaking sell, man. Oh my goodness, that was a beautiful sell. We just locked in our profits no matter what. We locked in our profits. We locked in our sell. I wanted to hold, but I only care about the challenge right now. So we did lock in the money. We could have really hit a TP2, bro. TP3. NAS 100. I will show you guys right now. It was in for a freaking buy. I mean for a sell. I just wanted to make the money. I ain't gonna lie. So I could have held, bro, but to be honest, bro, I was not really trying to. I just wanted to make $1,000, bro, which I did. I did do the $1,000, so I'm actually kind of happy with that I did that. Um, let me see. NAS 100 is hitting a TP2 right now, and US 30 is currently hitting a TP1, about to hit a TP2. And I mean, that's really it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and finish it out. I mean, you guys can see my balance is at 1,065 with 98 cents. We finally did our thing. We took a $74 win. So I'm low-key happy with that. I was gonna aim for a TP2, but honestly, guys, I could have aimed for a TP2, but I honestly just wanted to get that challenge over with, man. Just get my $1,000 and get it out the way and just move on forward. So, the next challenge is going to be a really simple one. We're going to double, just like how we doubled up this one. We're gonna double up the next one. So next challenge will be $1,000 to $2,000. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned, guys. We will be hitting those goals, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been your boys Wi-Fi Currency. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, feel free to ask it in the comment section below. My Discord will also be in the Discord link. I mean, in my description. My Discord link will be in the description as well. So if you guys want to join that and join me and my community, if you guys want to ask any questions to me or my community, we will all be more than happy to answer you. We are all a team, and we're all trying to go for the same thing. We're all trying to get rich, and we're all trying to eat. So yeah, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Freaking, we did hit a TP2 right here, as you guys can see. We hit a TP2, so barely tapped it though. You know, we barely tapped it. We didn't really fully hit it. Being transparent as possible, we didn't fully hit it, but you know it's about to get hit right there. You know, so we do this stuff, guys. We always do this. Um, yeah, man. Yeah, it is what it is. I did what a lot of people would love to see. So just know that if I can do it, guys, you guys can definitely do it too. Don't ever question yourself. Don't ever act like you can't do it or whatever the case may be. Because trust me, guys, you guys can do it. You guys just got to put in the effort, have the consistency, have the patience, and you guys can achieve whatever you want to do. So I will catch you guys on the next freaking video. Thank you. And thank you, PC, for working properly, man. I was just trying to get done with this challenge, bro. What? Oh man, what? How good does it feel, man, to freaking finally finish that challenge, bro? And then let's look at NAS 100 real quick before we do get off. Um, it's a beautiful trade. We did hit a TP2, then it started reversing. So I mean, you know, it's not much to be expected. I secured my profit and I called it a day. So I may not be uploading tomorrow, Thursday, for the 5th, and I may not be uploading on the 6th for Friday. But I will be taking trades. I will be on the charts and I will be taking trades. Um, and, you know, I'm gonna just go ahead and try to make some money for myself, you know, because all this the $1,000 that I got right here, this balance, I will not touch it. I will leave it in the account. So I will probably be trading for myself, but you know, at the end of the day, it is what it is. And if we look at freaking US 30, I ain't gonna lie, US 30 took off now. It just hit a TP3. I could have been nuts, but I wanted to get out of TP1, so it's whatever, dog. It's whatever. It's whatever. To be honest, the $65 right there, 98 cents is literally my money, but I'll probably leave it in there too, man. I'll leave it in there too. yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys later. Deuces. Thank you guys for being a part of my community. Thank you guys for watching my series. TP4 just got smacked. Subscribe if you want to join the journey. This is real trades, real raw trades. This is real results, real trader, no fake guru energy, guys. You guys see, I fail and I win, and I post my wins and my losses, bro. I don't hide nothing. I don't care to hide nothing. I'm just a broke dude from the freaking, from, I don't know. I'm just a broke dude from freaking from Florida, bro. So I'm just a Florida boy trying to make. I'm just a Puerto Rican, Floridian, Puerto Rican, whatever, trying to make it out the mud, bro. So again, guys, thank you guys for watching, man. I'll catch you guys later. Deuces.